Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies and cream graham bars. First, gather your ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and about 20 crushed chocolate sandwich cookies. This easy method ensures a delightful treat with minimal effort. To begin, combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar in a medium bowl. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Next, press this mixture evenly and firmly into the bottom of an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. For the filling, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until it is smooth and fluffy. Now, carefully spread the fluffy cream cheese mixture over the graham cracker crust, ensuring an even layer from edge to edge. This creates the rich, creamy center of your bars. Next, take your 20 crushed chocolate sandwich cookies and sprinkle them generously over the cream cheese layer. Gently press the cookie crumbs down into the cream cheese to help them adhere, creating that iconic cookies and cream texture. Once assembled, cover your baking dish and refrigerate the bars for a minimum of 2 hours. This crucial step allows the layers to firm up and set perfectly, making them easy to cut. After chilling, remove the dish from the refrigerator and cut the bars into 16 equal squares. These delicious, no-bake cookies and cream graham bars are now ready to be enjoyed by everyone. They are perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.